my angels, my dears. This is Angel, and thank you for joining me for another video. As you can see, again, I'm doing the chocolate, and I'm using my favorite dark chocolate. Why don't you stay and enjoy the rest of this video, and I'll talk with you later. Back to the video. As you can see here, I'm using 2 tablespoons of the honey and the light corn syrup. But when I created this recipe years ago, it has 3 tablespoons of each. So I'm trying to go lighter on the sugar for myself, but you use the 3 tablespoons. Back to the video. I'm only using 8 cups of the popcorn. So if you plan to use 10 cups, you should make more caramel. Alright, back to the video. I'm using unsalted cashews for my recipe here. But if you prefer yours salted, you can do that. Also, you can substitute another type of nut that you would like. As you can see, I'm also using dark chocolate, but you can use either white chocolate or milk chocolate or a combination of the three. I also decided to use white cheddar popcorn. It adds a little bit more dimension to it, and it tastes absolutely delicious. All right, now back to the video. Look at how wonderful it all turned out. You see how easy this was to make? You can make it too at home. All right, so I'd like to thank you for staying to the very end. If you're new to my channel and this is your first time, I hope you consider subscribing and joining me for all my other videos. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you for coming back, my angel, my dear. If you'd like to make sure that you never miss a video, make sure you hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of any new videos. And as my son and daughter say earlier in this video, time to go. And as a parting, always many blessings and much favor until we meet again. Hope to see you soon. Oh, I forgot one thing. There's 4 YouTube channels I'd like you to check out. It's in my description box. And if you do, let them know I sent you.